Who says ladies can't work on cars? Apparently somebody doesn't like the quality of my windshield wiper. What are you doing?
Shit, Papa, what'd I do?
Picking the J-hook? Huh? You're breaking the tabs? Well, I think you can do it even without a hook. Did you ever try your finger?
Yeah.
Where'd you see this, on YouTube?
Yeah, I did.
And what did they say?
Either that or I don't pay attention.
I can see that.
Shut
So,
up. You know why I can't fucking read? Shut up.
I'm sorry, I can't put the F-bombs on YouTube, so... You have any light going on over there?
Oh, no.
Oh, okay. Better than that. So what did they say on YouTube while you're fighting with it? Stop, 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 stop.
Yeah.
Underneath that part. What's underneath that?
There's a tab. I already...
Underneath, where? Underneath that? No, way underneath that. Yeah, under there somewhere.
Uh-huh.
Do you see anything?
I can't see. Oh, okay.
Well, careful. Not a lot of force. Actually, I see the tab.
Push down, right?
Yeah, right there. No, back more. Yeah, do you even see the tab? Okay, now
The tab is
at the
off.
same time. You gotta move it at the same time. I see the tab right there. Right there where your left thumb is.
Yeah. But the thing, see, your thing is, I can't pull it up.
Okay, come here.
You see?
Uh-oh.
That's why I can't
Can I see that? Can I see that? What was you breaking on here? This?
I can't reach. I'm short. I'm sorry.
It has nothing to do with being short. No tools. No tools.
Alright.
With no tools. See it's starting to move?
Yeah.
You tap right under here. Now switch. Hold this. Hold this. I got half of it. Hold that.
What do you expect from somebody who's 4'11" and...
Another step. I don't want nonsense. Another step for man.
Shush your pie hole. You know what? Don't blame me.
You women are good at something.
You know what? You can suck. You got jokes, huh? Ha. This was supposed to be my job. My surprise.
You're surprised jacking me?
Yeah.
J-hook adapter. Oh yeah, right here. Right here, crikey. I got it right here. It's gonna bite your tooth or nail on it.
Ooh. I can't see nothing.
I can feel it. If you know what's going on, then you can feel your way through it.
Ay.
So funny.
That's so funny. See, I'm supposed to do it.
I need a J-hook
You're supposed to let me mess it up.
I need a J-hook adapter.
What's the J-hook at the end? Is that this one? Look.
That was the H-hook, H-hook, H-hook.
It's always interesting with us. You know that?
Nobody cares about watching us. H-hook, H-hook.
I never thought in my life you'd be reading wiper blade directions.
Yeah, you might be returning them.
Uh-oh.
H-hook, H-hook. B-type. Hey. There it is. Wait. Oh yeah. Oh, there it is. Yep. Got it going. Okay. It's happening. Woo! First piece on.
Did I press stop?
Hell no.
I thought it was a good deal. They had it on, it was the last one that was clearance. $10. If you was me, you would purchase the same thing, right?
Thought you were a good deal too.
The only thing is you don't have the receipt for me, so haha, you're stuck with me.
Yep, as is.
No clicks. Babe, you're putting the old one on. See, I'm glad I'm here.
Makes one of us.
Ew, like that? You are so wrong.
What's going on with you, Giggles? Yep.
Wait, here. Give me that.
Stand back, get the rest of the car. Hurry up.
No, press thing. Pause or stop or whatever.
Yeah, that's going up too.